0. Hello. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I already did this before. So, recap. We were recording almost a 1 hour long video and it did not record successfully. I have no idea why, but now it is recording, so hopefully it's gonna work. And we were testing a lot, right, Nzora,
Mhm.
and we had so many issues. So hopefully now we will just record a quick one, and it would be with less problems. Nzora,
Yeah,
any words
yeah,
to say?
we were kind of happy and upset at the same time. Happy that all that shit didn't go live, and upset that we were talking for 1 hour with non-recording video.
Mm, mm, yes. So,
Yep.
recap what we did yesterday. We came up with the landing page, it's working. We prepared the routes for the registration. Hopefully it works, yeah. And so this is the registration page, and this is the login page. So they were both done yesterday. We closed the landing page user story, so there will be improvements at the end once we get more content from the client. And the focus for today is the user registration and the login logout. We planned that we would like to integrate the front end, but I think that would be the task for tomorrow. Today's video
Yeah.
would just be about setting up a new ASP.NET Core API solution and implementing controllers and API endpoints for the register, for the sign up, the sign in, and for the logout, right?
Mhm. We're gonna
Njur,
just test them out with Swagger, and then tomorrow we will implement them with the front end.
exactly, exactly. And I really hope that today's video won't take more than 10 to 15 minutes. Okay,
Mhm.
so what do we have? We do have a new application here. So this is an application, web API application that we just created, and we open it with cursor. So this is the front end solution, but we would like to go here, and we already prepared the prompt. So let me fetch it.
Mhm.
Uh, And yeah, we would use the composer like usual here. Let's create a new one because we were testing earlier. And now using the composer, we would just ask it to do this prompt. We gave the context that we're creating a full stack application and we would like it to help us with the authentication. And for the sign up, the user would just input the email, the name, the family name, and the password, and do the same. And as Njora mentioned earlier, let's ask it not to change the file structure, right?
Mhm. It was a big trouble for us when it changed it automatically the file, the architecture or structure.
New files in irrelevant folders. Maybe this was missing from earlier. And let's hit enter.
Uh-huh.
And let's see what it suggests. So certainly it would create it. It's adjusting the CSProc file. And then it's creating the application user, the DB context. It's making some changes in the program.cs. What's cool about Cursor is that we can, oh wait, we can follow the files that it's changing. Yes, so all of these files are files that were changed. Now it's setting up the auth controller. You can see already that some changes are being applied to some files, I believe. It added the GWT configuration. Wow, it's doing all of this. And then it's asking to apply these two commands. So let's see in the okay, it's still applying a few things. Okay, It needs some more time.
Mm.
Are we recording? Yes.
It didn't suggest the libraries which we should import, I think.
Which is smart because we already imported them. So
Really?
in our
Okay.
NuGet packages, we can check
If
it
we
here.
check.
For the installed, we already installed all the necessary NuGet packages. Let me
Uh-huh.
remember we did this earlier.
Makes sense. Yeah, yeah.
So
While setting up
everything is
project name.
here. Just curious whether it did for the GWT or not. I think we did not add the GWT package, but
I can
it's not
look.
asking us to add it, right? So maybe it's not needed. But
Mm-hmm.
anyway, let's just save all. And there are some errors, right? For some
Oh,
reason, we cannot see the new changes in Jura. Ah, here it is. Application user. Save all again.
I think it's just a problem of comparing the files. Content of the file with newer. Please compare your version. Compare, maybe? I don't know.
Where do you mean, Jura?
Down. Down, like top, bottom left. Bottom left.
Bottom left.
More,
Here?
more bottom. Yeah. What he's comparing. Yeah, maybe just like. Yeah, you see? Just accept it, maybe.
Okay, let's just accept everything.
Uh,
Right, that's what you mean?
no, accept in top. Like there is the tick. Yeah,
Ah, this one.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, so this should be which controller? The auth controller. So in the Visual Studio, we should see the auth controller. Now, does it have, okay, it has few things. Nice. Is there any errors? Perfect. So the only errors remaining is for the GWT here. So maybe you can install it using the quick actions. Yeah, I mean, look, I'm really impressed by Cursor. It's doing amazing stuff, but it's still far from being a complete software developer, right? Like,
Mm-hmm.
it's sometimes it's just missing important things to mention. Like in this case, it did not mention the need to install this package. We need to know that this package needs to be installed.
Mm-hmm. Did you add it? Yeah. Did you add it? Install it now?
I'm trying to use the suggestion, but maybe then let's just
You
not use.
can. Yeah, I can send
Yeah,
you
do you have the
the
name?
name, but yeah, it's in the GWT beater. You can write. Yeah, beater.
Let me fetch it.
Capital B and without space. Yeah. It's slow, but the Visual Studio.
Yeah, okay, this one. So let's just install it. And hopefully this would resolve everything.
Yeah.
Apply, accept.
Could not be found. You're missing the access on the
We
reference.
never
Okay.
know. Maybe it just needs time to refresh. Usually what we can do is just to run the solution. This would build it automatically. If the build passes, then that's great. Else we need to debug further. Let's check what composer said. Maybe we missed something important that it asked us to do. So with the new change, create necessary packages for the project. Okay, maybe and created application user. So do we have an application user here?
I don't see it.
I think we did not create it. Ah, yeah, it did. But maybe it's not available in Visual Studio. Wow, my laptop is crashing. Yeah, no, this is the application DB context. So we need this application user, right? We need to place it inside of the models. So let's just do it manually because cursor for some reason is crossing it. And it would be called application user. Anyway, today was a very good advancement with the whole project, even though that it's not working. We did a good job, and I'm sure that tomorrow this would be running. So let's just create an application user. Very nice.
No?
It's not responding. Let's give it a few seconds, else we really can stop here. Today is not a good program. Okay, it's not like helping us at all. Nothing is working as intended. See, it's still building. Building started on 11:14 since 3 minutes. This is the longest
Wow.
build I've ever seen. Maybe we can stop it. Okay, it's cancelled. Let's save all. Let's check the error list. And still it's complaining about this application user. I hope you can get it now. Or I can use the same approach that you always do in Zora. Just close Visual Studio and open it again, right?
Sometimes it works, sometimes no.
Yeah, it's just closed. Oof.
Let's try this out.
Yeah, for anyone who's
Otherwise,
interested
we can
in,
continue
yeah, let's just give it a try.
tomorrow.
If it's still throwing errors, then we can just debug them tomorrow. But I wanted to say that for anyone who's interested in becoming a software engineer or a software developer, just keep in mind that such days will occur much more often than you think. And if you would like to become a developer, please invest in a really good machine. I really need to change my laptop soon. Plus, I noticed that whenever I record this video, the performance gets radically lower. Come on. Let's check if there are any errors that we can see from cursor. Application context, application user. So apparently this application user is not working because the file does not exist. But good thing is that I think this GWT bearer now has no issues. So it's just a question of adding the user.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you don't have it open in Visual Studio.
I'm trying to open Visual Studio. It's just taking so much time.
Ah,
Yeah, this is a bit unfortunate. And this brings me always to the idea, Njora, that these videos would be like much better if they're like just uh, like how to say, like snapshots and like small recordings of the full episode in order to just show the workflow and cut this waiting time.
empty space.
Yeah, but like that would require a lot of video editing and and yeah, eventually we get better with time on both the development side but also on the content creation side. And I hopefully getting also a better machine. I think both of us and Jora are on the process of looking or like
Getting a new laptop, yeah,
yeah,
or
investing
PC,
in
laptop,
new.
something, yeah.
It's
It's
important to
getting
look at
slow
this.
too much. And also you are recording, so this is also maybe not helping.
Yeah.
And we're opening Google, yeah, maybe a lot of RAM is used. Try to close Google.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of stuff are going on.
Nice. Very nice. Okay, guys. Technical issues. We would stop recording here, I guess. Let's just give my machine a break. We also need a break with Njora. I think we've been doing this for over an hour and a half now. Uh,
Two, I
uh,
2 hours.
Approximately 2 hours, yeah, maybe. So yeah, let's just continue tomorrow. A successful day is a day where we try our best, and today was
Yep,
a successful day.
we
A good
tried.
day is a day where everything works, and today is not a good day.
Not very good, yeah.
Yeah, but it's not a big of a deal.
Part of the journey, part of the journey.
Yes, that's correct. I just need a few seconds for this to get back to life, and then I need to stop the recording. I don't know if I cannot stop it already. So you guys are you're locked, yes, because we unfortunately cannot stop the video. And Jora, what is the first or like the most important lesson you learned today? Test. Okay, goodbye, guys.